Hello everyone, let us provide a solution to this interesting geometry puzzle. Three identical rectangles are stacked in a semicircle and we're asked to find their total surface area. You can see the three rectangles here inscribed in a semicircle of diameter 10 units. Alright, let's get started. First of all, I would like to label the rectangle, one of them. This is the length and this is the width, right? So let me use this rectangle right here. Remember, from the center to any part of the circumference is a radius. So from this end to this end must be a radius of what? 5 units because the diameter is 10 units. So this is still the length and this is the width. Now you can see we have a right angle triangle right here, right? So we can apply Pythagoras rule, which stated that the hypotenuse squared, so I can say that this is 5 squared, is equal to length squared plus the width squared. And we can rewrite this one as 25 equals length squared plus w squared. And we can make L the subject. I can say that L squared is equal to 25 minus w squared. This is our first equation. Now we can form another equation. This is another endpoint. I can connect it to the center and it will still be the radius. So this is 5 units. Then I can form a right angle triangle here. You see that? This total length will be twice the width. So this is 2w. And what about this one? It is half of the length, which is L divided by 2. So using this particular one, you see that here, this one, we can say that 5 squared is equal to L divided by 2 also squared plus 2w also squared according to Pythagoras. This is 25 equals L squared divided by 2 squared is 4 plus 2w squared will give us 4w squared. Let us multiply every single term by 4. 4 times 25 is 100. This is equal to L squared divided by 4 times 4 is just L squared plus 4 times 4 is 16 w squared. Let us also make L the subject here. L squared is equal to 100 minus 16 w squared. This is our second equation. Now we can relate equation 1 and equation 2. They're all written as L squared, as a function of L squared, right? So which means that their right hand side must be the same. This means that 25 minus w squared must be equal to 100 minus 16w squared. All right. Let us collect the like terms. Bring this one backward and take this one to the other side. So we have positive 16w squared minus w squared. This is equal to 100 minus 25. This is 15w squared equals 75. If you divide both sides by 15, you have w squared is equal to 75 divided by 15, which is simply 5. And hence, w is equal to the square root of 5. Do not attach plus or minus because this is length. All lengths are positive. Now we have gotten the value of w. Now we need that of the L. We can use this particular equation which stated that L squared is equal to 25 minus w squared. But we have seen that w squared is 5, right? So this is L squared equal to 25 minus 5, which is 20. And we can take square root of both sides and hence L equal to square root of 20. So this is what we have. Remember, to find the area of rectangle, you need to take the length multiplied by the width. But we have 3 identical rectangles. So therefore, the total area will be 3 times the area of one of the rectangles. Length is square root of 20 times square root of 5. square root of 20 times square root of 5 is square root of 100. And square root of 100 is 10. So I can write it as 3 times 10, or square root of 100, which is 10. And this is equal to 30 units squared. And this is said to be the area of these 3 identical rectangles. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues. Bye-bye.